Hi friends, today we are doing the unboxing of this Canon G3060 printer. So I'll just guide you through the content of the printer. It comes with the printer. These are the two ink cartridges. One is color, one is black. You get four bottles of the color. One is black and three colors: magenta, yellow, cyan. Also, this printer is something like this. It comes with a wireless function. It has a copier. And this is where you can see the levels, the color levels. And this printer can be connected to Windows as well as Mac OS. Hold on. So now I am showing you how to insert the cartridges. So you just lift this cover, and there is some little packing wire which I already removed. So it is written over there B and C, and on this cartridges also it is written B and C. Accordingly you have to put it. To put this, you just lift this clip and pull this thing on top. So it is written here B and C. So this is the B cartridge. Just lift this thing, open the cartridge, this is how the cartridge is. So you have to pull this thing also, this flap, and this thing also, and since this is a B, it will go over here. You have to place it like this and it falls in its place. So this is the C. Again you can open from here, it is written here. You get the cartridge out. So this cover is, this you have to remove, and remove this also, and place the cartridge. Once you place the cartridge, very important, you close this properly, press it. Also you need to press both this, 1 and 2. Once you put the cartridges, just make sure you put the ink. The black will go over here. Just pull this thing on top, and the black, and you just have to keep this thing like this. The ink will go in automatically. You need not press the bottle, nothing. Similarly, let's start with the colors. So this is the blue. Just lift this thing up. This is the blue color, it is written blue. So one good thing about these bottles are designed in such a way that it won't go in the wrong slot. The blue will go in the blue only. So we are done with the black. Just lift this bottle and press this. As you can see, the blue ink is also over and the container is full. You can see the container. So blue is done. Press this. Now this is the magenta. So this is the magenta color. Again put it. You can hear the ink falling down. Yeah, that's it. It's over. You can see the bottle empty. Close this, lift this. Just place this bottle. Do not power on the printer, do anything until you fill the ink. So this is also done. Now as you can see, these two cables are come. One is a power cord and one is the data cable. And to close this, just lift this little bit ahead, lift the flap, move this ahead with your finger and close it. Do not force anything. So I will show you the power sockets. This is the data socket and this is the power socket. As you can see, this side, this is the power socket, this is the data socket. It can go both the sides. So I connected the power. I am powering the printer, and this is the power switch. And this flap you need to open like this. Just pull it on top. And when the printer comes, these things come like this. So you need to open the paper placement assembly. You can see, just lift, pull in on one side, automatically the second one will also fall in its place. And as you can see, there are some markings over here. You can print envelopes also. So envelope printer marking, and I think this should be able to print some legal stuff also. So as you can see over here, it is written English. I am saying OK. Select English. Yes. It is asking, are the ink tanks filled with ink? So you use this arrow. You can see both the brackets. Click OK. Yes. Now it is saying initializing ink tank system, about 5 minutes remaining. So do not do anything until the ink gets initialized. Initializing meaning it fills the entire cartridge with the ink and also the pipes. So you need to wait for 5 minutes. So as you can see, it's showing setup is complete. Now we click the OK button. You can see some options over here: smartphone connectivity, continue, and these are some of the modes. Now like it's in ready condition. Here you can see menu. There are different modes, and I'll just go through the things. In menu, there is copy mode, scan mode. This is a setup mode. In setup mode, you can do device setting, feed setting, maintenance, template, ink level monitor. Just show the ink level monitor. You can click OK. Notification, all different things are there. This is to scan. Again, go back. So this is some of the Wi-Fi settings. Easy Wi-Fi setup.
He's outside.
So this is the processing. We are trying to install this 3060 on a MacBook Air. So what you have to do is go to Google and download a driver. Just type Canon G3060 printer driver download. So go here. And click here on drivers. Okay, and as you can see, it is showing Mac OS 11 detected. There is no driver may include OS, or you need a driver. And search for printers. You can see printers, and there is an option to add the printer. There is an add printer option. So from the Canon website, we are downloading this version Wi-Fi connection assistant. Click on it and click on download. Allow. So it's getting downloaded. This is the file. Canon assistant. Welcome to Canon Wi-Fi assistant. Click on continue. Continue. Agree. Take length. It is downloading some software now. So you have to put the password. See, after installing the password, it's come with installation is successful. Now say close. I do Canon Wi-Fi assistant. So you can find the Canon. So under the Canon Wi-Fi assistant, it will show this screen: Wi-Fi connection and wired connection. So we want to connect this using Wi-Fi. So click on next. So there is something called, does your printer have a button with this icon? Yes, we have a button. As you can see, this is a button. We have exact same button over here. So we have to click yes and say next. So press and hold the following button for 3 seconds. So we have to press and hold this for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. So saying allow the following to be used in the Wi-Fi connection. So we have to say yes. Now it is setting up easy wireless connect. Please wait. This may take a few minutes. The printer might set up finish first. So in case you want to connect this printer with wire, instead of wireless, you have to select the wired option. Now this is setting up the printer. Also in the meantime, I will tell you, this is the way.
Incoming voice call from Satish on SIM Jio. Incoming voice call from Satish on SIM Jio.
So this is for black and this is for color
Incoming voice call from
Xerox.
Satish.
So this is setting up the wireless connect, and after this the setup will be complete and we will be able to use the printer. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.